Art is not what you've been led to believe it is, and its transformative power is accessible to us all. I'm Kim, here to remind you of your incredible power to shape your reality. You are the artist and author of your very own beautiful life story. Together, through art and creative practices, we will unleash your inner creator and manifest your deepest desires. If you're excited about living a brilliant life on your terms, then hit the subscribe button and come along on this empowering journey. Today, we are going to talk about how art is not what you've been led to believe, and the fact that its transformative power is accessible to all of us. I've talked before about the misconceptions that many people have about creating art, that only some people are artistic, and that the only reason to make art is if you can sell it. This limited view of creating art prevents many people from experiencing the magic that creating art brings into your life. Art is not just about creating something visually appealing or aesthetically pleasing and limited to the few deemed to have been given talent. It is a powerful tool for all of us to enjoy, a process that allows us to see into our innermost thoughts and recognize our truest feelings and desires. Once we've uncovered these personal truths, we can use art to realize these things in our lives. When we consciously express our desires and intentions on the canvas, we are reinforcing what we want, aligning with our desires, and creating our reality with our energy through creating art. We are harnessing the ability to manifest our dreams and shape our world in a way that aligns with our truest selves. Something I hear a lot at the beginning of someone's journey, but I'm not artistic, or I can't draw. You don't have to be considered an artist or have any perceived talent to use art to explore your innermost desires and to create them in your reality. If you could draw a stick figure, if you can do scribbles, that's all you need to be able to do. We are all the artists of our lives. In order to open up and discover the energy of what you're desiring, you learn to detach from the pressure of producing a finished product and just dissolve into the process. Paint whatever you want with the intention of relaxing or expanding your awareness beyond your logical mind. Play, doodle, play with colors, paint free from judgment, expectations, or even a need to ever be finished. You can keep painting on the same canvas forever if you want. You're in the process of shifting your entire artistic paradigm. Art is a process and a vehicle to experience and savor, not a slog to a finished product. You paint pictures in your mind all day long, creating your reality. What reality do you want to create? Are you focusing on a reality that aligns with your heart's desire or one that creates stress and worry? Through art, we can express our emotions, explore our subconscious mind, and connect with our higher consciousness. Whether it be through painting, drawing, music, dance, writing, or any other form of creative expression, we have the opportunity to delve deep into our inner world and bring forth that which lies within us. By channeling our creative energy into our art, we are sending out vibrations into the universe that attract back to us that which we desire. Art allows us to transcend the limitations of the physical world and tap into the infinite realm of possibilities. It is a way for us to connect with our higher selves, our intuition, and the universal energy that surrounds us. Through art, we are able to access a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This leads us to a place of greater clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. We are the sole creators of our experience. The way we do anything is the way we do everything. You create your experience. Anything standing in your way is created by you. That is, I think, really good news. It means that we are never victims of our circumstances, and we always have the ability to choose what we prefer. Pouring creative energy into painting your intentions and decisions is powerful and energizing. Here, I'm going to show you an easy exercise you can try to dip your toe in the water. This is called the Soul Scribble exercise. So whether you are a seasoned artist or someone who simply enjoys doodling in a sketchbook, remember that every mark of a pencil, stroke of the brush, every word on the page, every note played on an instrument or sung with your voice has the power to shape your reality. Consciously create your reality through art and watch as the world around you begins to reflect back the beauty and abundance and love that you have created. What you focus on grows, what you think about expands, and what you dwell upon determines your destiny. If you want to learn more about starting a personal painting practice or how art can create things in your life, I'll be sharing more details about that soon. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.